Good morning, students. Up till now, we have learned to write the question and answers which are based on the pictures of the bullock cart, vallam, etc. Now, today, here about bicycle ride, few questions are there. I'm sending these questions. You have to complete because these question and answers very easy. Can you ride a bicycle? Who taught you the bicycle? How many children come on bicycle to your school? So that's why just pictures I will send. You have to complete it. Here also related to Jugad. Now see, this is very funny vehicle, half bike and half constructed carriage is there. Now, do you have such vehicles in your area? You can say yes or no, depend on you. What do you call them in your area? Bike van. Would you like to ride in something? Would you like to ride in something like this? Why? Yes, it is a great fun because riding in this kind of vehicles we feel very funny. Can you tell why it is called jugad? It is prepared for serving other purposes. That's why it is called as jugad. As it looks very funny and it is prepared for serving other purposes. That's why it is called as jugad. The jugad has been made by using waste material. Why don't you also try to make something by putting together some waste material? Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such places where these kinds of vehicles cannot reach. Hmm? There are some places because see the in which kind it is prepared. So on uneven areas it is not possible to reach with this jugaad. Understood? Now questions based on this jungle. As you see, jungle is full of trees and it is full of so many sounds of birds and animals. Okay, so many sounds of birds and animals. So here is the question. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such a place? Yes, we have been there. While trekking, while when we are going for a picnic. Write your experiences in your notebook. Means you have to write about jungle. What is jungle? It is full of large trees and there is always a sound of birds and animals. It is called as that jungle. Understood, students? So complete these question answers. Okay. Now here, snow. Have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? Actually, this answer you can write your own. Yes, I have seen so much snow and I seen it in films. Do you think that such places have snow all the time and why? Yes, as these places have snow all the time. These places have snow all the time because of the climatic conditions. Because of their climatic conditions and always having cool climate. Understood? Write and complete these question answers in your notebook. Thank you.